Foot pain. Every step you take sucks. I know, I've been there. I want to give you 4 simple things that you can do at home to help decrease foot pain, but also increase the strength of your feet. Hi, I'm Dr. Thom Green from Elmira Chiropractic, and we see this very commonly in the office where people have dropped arches, maybe their feet turn out or they overpronate when they walk. And a lot of these things can cause pain at the base of the feet, can cause plantar fasciitis, tight muscles, bunions where that toe turns in, corns. And these are basically end game causes of dysfunction that have been in the foot for a long time. And not only can it affect your feet, but the knees, the hips, can cause low back pain and structural problems right up the entire chain of your body. So the first thing would be loosening up some of the tight muscles that are in your foot. A major one that we see is the Flexor Hallucis Longus. So the muscle that runs right down the medial side of your foot to your big toe, that one can tighten up in a lot of people. Also the plantar fascia, which is a big, basically, sheath right here that covers the base of your foot and goes to your heel, can get very tight and can have a lot of scar tissue on it. So having something like a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball or a baseball at home is all you need to help loosen up some of those muscles, ligaments, and tendons in the foot. So what you do is just put this on the ground, and then you're going to roll your foot on it to help release some of that tension. Spend a couple minutes every day, and that can have a huge impact on those muscles and ligaments. So I'll just show you real quick. Just rolling back and forth, and you can modulate the pressure as you're doing this. Oh, there's a tight spot right there. So once you start to loosen up the muscles in your feet, then you want to work on strengthening those muscles as well. So one way that you can do that is by raising your big toe off the floor. So I'll just show you with my hand real quick. So if you keep your foot flat on the floor and this is your big toe right here, then you're going to raise that toe up. And when you do that, what happens is you actually create and strengthen the muscles that are important for maintaining that longitudinal arch in your foot. So as we do this, you can see what it does is it's going to create like an arch. So I'll show you real quick with my foot. So like this, and then you're going to raise that big toe up, and you can see it starts to create that arch in that foot. So you're going to do that 10 or 15 times, and then take a break, do the other foot, or you can do them both at the same time and repeat that 3 or 4 times. The next one is just using your toes to grasp. So like this, you can pick things up off the floor. Let's say you're cleaning your room, picking up your dirty clothes off the floor, then use your foot. And again, in doing that, you're helping to strengthen those muscles that are important for that arch in people who have flat feet, dropped arches, or pain on the bottom of your feet. Another one is where you're going to spread your toes. So doing this, it's going to work the small muscles between your toes. So it might be hard to see, but you're going to spread those toes out. And again, working 10 to 15 reps in doing that. Another thing you might also want to think about is just doing some range of motion and mobility in those ankles. So moving the ankles in all different directions, up and down, plantar flexion, dorsiflexion, doing some circles like that both ways. And even just stretching out those ankles into positions like this, putting your foot against the wall, stretching out the calves as well. All these things can help with that foot because all those tendons cross into your feet. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment box below or send me a message. Have a great day.